Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows won't detect Bluetooth headphones, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, the headphones should be turned on and they should be discoverable. Merely because they're turned on doesn't mean you will be able to discover them. A certain setting needs to be enabled. So once this is done, you can run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Okay. It will start detecting problems and help you with this. And once this is sorted out, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on add device, Bluetooth and add it here. The next one is to update Bluetooth drivers. And how will you do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and give the device and open the device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter and select update drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.